Hi guys, dito tayo sa part 2 ng paggamit ng O at Go. Okay, ito yung first one guys. Mainichi tsukatteru kotoba, lalagyan mo siya ng O, even though nakango siya. For example, denwa, jikan, yasai. Every day, mainichi ginagamit natin ito. So, even though na sensei, di ba, under kango yan, dapat go jikang, tama? Go denwa, go yasai. Rules, mainichi tsukatteru kotoba, ang ilalagay mo ay o instead of go even though nakango siya. So, you need to use o jikang, o yasai, o denwa. Second one, hanasu toki ni o, kaku toki ni go. Like for example, o benkyo for speaking, go benkyo for writing. Another one, o henji for speaking, go henji for writing. Last one guys, for natural phenomenon, shizen gensho, animals, dobutsu and shokubutsu, mga plants, hindi nyo lalagyan ng o or go. Dare no mono demo arimasen kara. Hindi ito pagmamayari natin. Ulitin ko. If you say the word inu, you cannot say o inu. If you say the word jishin, you cannot say the word go shijin. Lahat ng natural phenomenon, animals, shokubutsu, or plants, hindi lalagyan ng o and go. So again guys, ito muna yung part 2 natin. So again, may part 3 pa to. Follow and keep updated sa mga upcoming videos namin. Ja, mata ne! Bye-bye!
Is studying, living, and working in Japan part of your wish list? Wish granted with Beyond the Visa and Educational Consultancy Services. We are a student visa consultancy firm that assists young professionals on how to study in Japan through our work and study program. We provide transparency in our program, having a company owner who has been in Japan on a student visa program for 2 years, studying the Japanese language. Our friendly staff also speaks Japanese and will guide you through the entire application process. Our partner language schools in Japan are accommodating. Free one-on-one orientation over the phone may be provided. We also offer private online tutorial in Japanese language and Japanese flashcards. We execute what we promise and only promise what we can deliver. Be the next Filipino student visa holder in Japan. Messages for more details.